jewelry maker guys, today we are going to make this very beautiful wire earring. All you need is wire, pearl, and your structure of making wire coils. After finishing making this wire coil, pick up 0.8 wire, make a tie like this. Two rows is enough. After that, throw your pearl in and bend it in half of the pearl, just like this. Keep the pearl and bend your wire. Here, just make another tie. After you turned one round here, make another bend. All around your pearl. Then open it up. And put your wire coil in. Whenever it is enough, cut it out. It's all perfect now. Then again, make a tie just here. That is your beautiful earring. Just need a jump ring and a dangle. Now it's ready to use, and you could add a wire ball, a little wire ball here that we had the tutorial here. And there it is, your beautiful wire earrings that could make and sell.